Welcome to Adi's Adventures.
Hi, my name is Adi.
Hey Adi, what are you going today? Today, what are you going to do?
I'm going to do a instructor trucks. Don't be scared. I'm going to say like a pirate, okay?
We are not going to be scared.
Wait.
Why were you going to be scared?
Then your means. Then that means the yes.
Okay.
Then.
Oh, you are a Adi pirate today?
Yeah.
Hey Adi pirate, what you are going to do today?
And
pirates is going to be hunt the treasures.
Yeah.
Are you going to hunt any treasures?
And there's the old-fashioned stuff over there.
Oh, old stuff. Oh, that's why you are interested to hunt the treasure?
Yeah. And
where is the treasure? Can you show me?
Wait, I want to tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this pirates have a boat, but this pirates have a boat, but this pirates don't have a boat. They have instruction vehicles, and they have a building of instruction vehicles in there.
Oh. So with the help
and also instruction people, and that pirates have an instructor to drive that.
Yeah, it's not instructions, Adi, constructions.
Okay.
Yeah, Adi will get a little bit confusion between instructions and construction. Instead of constructions, you're gonna say instructions. Please don't be mind.
You're restored the treasure.
Oh, Adi pirate is hunting the treasure now. Where is the treasure? Oh my God, what is this?
It's a sticky road.
It's a sticky road. In this sticky road, treasure is there. Oh, you're going to find the treasure. I can't see any treasure in that.
No, it's high. It's harder.
It's harder. Why are you putting that sticky thing in that? Put the treasure. Load the treasure in the drum truck.
No, you're going to dump it somewhere and get the
Full.
And they left it on the floor. They left it on the floor, right. They left it right here, just for old-fashioned stuff.
Oh, old stuff, fashion stuff. That's why you're so interested to hunt the treasure.
Yeah.
What you're going to get with the treasure, Adi? Adi pirate? Oh, yeah.
Roar. It's an old-fashioned stuff.
At least, did you find anything? At least one? I think you found something. What is that? Oh, I can see something. I can see something. What is that? What is that?
It looks like a rock.
It looks like a rock.
Yeah.
How much it's going to be cost? How many dollars?
It's not $1. It's just a rock.
Yeah, it's a old-fashioned rock means might be $1,000.
No.
I gonna steal from you, pirate.
No, it don't cost. When the pirates just hunt with them, then they don't cost anything.
Oh, then why you're hunting for the treasure? Old-fashioned treasures.
Old-fashioned treasures means you're going to keep them all the time. Like I just saw in the movie, one old-fashioned bus.
Oh.
This old-fashioned cars or old-fashioned stuff.
Oh, you're collecting all the old-fashioned stuff and you're keeping with you and you're not going to sell that? You don't want money?
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to sell it. That's a nice pirate.
Mm-hmm.
Yar, yar, yar.
Yar, yar, yar.
What were you going to do when you're going to hunt for treasure?
These construction vehicles are helping a lot to you, pirate.
I know. Yar.
Yar. It's gonna take a long time. I think the dump truck is full.
Me too, me too. Yar.
Yar.
Let's just keep that because the big tire's not going to fit.
Mm-hmm. Can you dump that one? Where you are going to dump that?
I'm going to sort that vehicle. I hope it's not going to come.
Oh, I think you're gonna take a lot of time to hunt your old-fashioned treasure, pirate.
I know it is.
Mm-hmm. You got the one?
No.
Only one?
Yeah. It's somewhere else too.
Yeah, I can see here something. Can you
There's
scoop it here?
everywhere and poking out somewhere,
Oh.
and we can't see it. Because this vehicle is very high,
Mhm.
and they're not going to see it.
Yeah, I think you got one more. You got one more?
I can feel it. I can't. It's right still there.
Mm-hmm.
I just got it. I almost close to get it.
Oh, you're almost too close to get it.
I need help.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Please subscribe.
Yeah.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.
Bye. I don't know how much time he gonna take to find all his treasure.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.